ये इंटिमिडेट होने वाले किसी से ये किसी से इंटिमिडेट नहीं हो सकते। मुझे और पैसे चाहिए थे ये करने के लिए। आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विद दिस। अब कहाँ जाके रोएंगे, किसको क्या बोलेंगे? तो गुस्सा ऐसा नहीं है, मुझे आता था, मुझे लाचारी भी महसूस होती थी। आपकी फैमिली, व्हेन यू हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ डिस्ट्रेसिंग जॉब, यू डू टेक योर फैमिली फॉर ग्रांटेड। आई मेट मिसेस प्रियंका गांधी जी and we briefly met, and she was complimenting me about my work. I felt that I made the wrong decisions, wrong choices on many levels. First wanting to direct this film.
People usually think that emergency है तो it will be anti-Congress, तो इस वाली government को तो immediately इसको pass कर देना चाहिए.
I am never making a political film again.
Yeah.
Never. I'm not very motivated.
Don't ever say never.
You know, Salman is a good friend of mine, and we've had many opportunities where we could work together.
Hello everyone, welcome to News 18. I am Titash Chaudhary in conversation with Anupam Kher, Kangana Ranaut and Shreyas Thalpar. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Very
Good,
well.
good, good.
Thank you.
So lovely to see all three of you.
Thank you.
Let's start on a lighter note. I would want to ask the men here, on a scale of 1 to 10, how intimidating was Kangana as a director?
Intimidating?
Intimidating, not at all, but how impressed we were, 10 out of 10.
Yeah, maybe 20 out of 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Intimidating, unless a person decides to intimidate and the other person decides to get intimidated, you don't really get intimidated.
That is a very good question.
Yeah.
Answer. That's a very nice answer.
कुछ लोग होते हैं जो मैं आपको इंटिमिडेट करने आऊंगी या आऊंगा,
No,
और हम इंटिमिडेट होंगे.
Yes, yes. You know, intimidation happens when there is lack of trust.
Yes.
कभी भी आप कोई कितना भी वो कुछ भी हो, लेकिन आपकी फैमिली आपसे इंटिमिडेट नहीं होती है ना, चाहे दुनिया कभी भी नहीं होगी जो आपकी फैमिली हो, चाहे आप कुछ भी बन जाएं, कुछ भी कह दें, कुछ भी कर ले. तो उसी तरह से when they came on to the set, they were just so open, so willing, and above everything so unassuming.
And also she was so prepared with her homework was so bang on. I admire her as a person, as an actress, and now as a director. So there is no way that one gets, and she is not there to sort of.
ये इंटिमिडेट होने वाले किसी से ये किसी से इंटिमिडेट नहीं हो सकते. लेकिन हाँ, आप ये जान के बहुत ज्यादा शॉक होंगे कि the way they support you.
Yeah.
The way they support you is just unbelievable. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि इतने सीनियर एक्टर्स या इतने मतलब ये they are known for their acting, they are just they are very successful, but they also are great actors. लेकिन after doing rehearsal, they would always be, पर ये कैसा था, या ये देखिए, and you'll be like, ये बिल्कुल न्यूकमर्स की तरह बिहेव करते हैं, बिल्कुल. तो that was a very nice, and also being also like almost first timer or second timer director, it's very nice if you get people who support you like that.
Yeah. That's very important. But director को कहा जाता है कि they are the captain of the ship. Has it never happened, Kangana, that you lost your cool on the set?
No, never. आपने भी देखो, never.
Not in our shooting. Not at all.
No, never. क्योंकि उसका एक, मैं आपका सबसे बड़ा रीजन बताती हूँ. उसका क्या रीजन है? क्योंकि जब आप खुद ही प्रोड्यूसर हो तो किस पे आप कूल लूज करेंगे? खुद ही डायरेक्टर है, खुद ही आप ज्यादा प्रोड्यूसर पे
मैंने लाइटों का इंतजाम क्यों नहीं किया? आप एक्टिंग ठीक नहीं कर रहे हैं.
मुझे और पैसे चाहिए थे इस करने के लिए. आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विद दिस. अब कहाँ जाके रोएंगे, किसको क्या बोलेंगे? तो गुस्सा ऐसा नहीं है, मुझे आता था, मुझे लाचारी भी महसूस होती थी, बेसहारा भी फील होता था, क्योंकि कोविड का भी टाइम था. मेरा इंटरनेशनल क्रू इतने स्ट्रिक्ट होते हैं, इंटरनेशनल क्रूज, उनके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हर वीक उनके पेमेंट जाते हैं. दे लॉक्ड फॉर द फिल्म. इफ यू वांट टू शूट still you pay. If you don't want to shoot, you stay.
Yeah.
उसके ऊपर कोविड, उसके ऊपर असम फ्लड्स, उसके ऊपर my other issues that I was dealing with in terms of this, I was struggling to make this film. तो ऐसा नहीं है, मुझे बेसहारा फील होता था, and I used to also feel a bit frustrated. पर फिर मैं फ्रस्ट्रेशन किस में निकालूं? कोई था ही नहीं।
बट ये मुद्दे कभी भी फ्लोर पे नहीं आते थे।
हाँ, she never
मतलब
made
हमें
it.
किसी को कभी भी इन चीजों का इल्म नहीं होता था कि भाई ये भी कुछ तकलीफें हैं प्रोड्यूसर को, डायरेक्टर को। एंड आई थिंक लाइक अनुपम जी वेरी राइटली सेड, द काइंड ऑफ होमवर्क दैट शी हैड डन वाज सो थरो एंड
Right.
there's so much of discipline on set, you know, that automatically you are very impressed, especially when an actor turns a director. You sometimes you go on set with a certain kind of expectation that you don't know what to expect. You know, because actors tend to be a little over the top when they're trying to direct. कि अब देखो मैं क्या करता हूँ, वैसे बिल्कुल नहीं था. Her approach was very clear, very sorted, very simple. ये एक अच्छी फिल्म बनानी है. This is what I want, and she was very clear about that. And that made our job, my job at least, a lot more easier. You know?
मेरा in my all my years experience with all the good directors or bad directors, I feel a good director is who you do not feel that is on the set. You should never feel that the director is on the set. You should always feel that the director is gone, missing. I can do whatever I want to do.
On that note, I have to share something with you, which
Yes.
is, since you said lighter note, there was a very famous director, and I have worked with him long time back, जो उनका एक असिस्टेंट होता था.
जी.
उसको आइडिया हो जाता था कि अब मुझे मेरे डायरेक्टर के नज़दीक जाना है, बिकॉज डायरेक्टर बहुत बड़े बड़े स्टार्स के हाथ काम करते थे. तो वो जो डायरेक्टर थे वो उस असिस्टेंट पे गुस्सा होना शुरू हो जाते थे. तेरे को मैंने बोला था, तू आया नहीं. फिर वो ऐसे करता था, फिर वो उसकी शर्ट लेते थे और शर्ट फाड़ देते थे. That was his ultimate anger.
Oh God.
But he used to get angry with the assistant. Actually, it was directed at other people. So this is beside the point. I just suddenly thought of it.
I should try this trick.
दूसरों का गुस्सा बेचारा असिस्टेंट.
एक असिस्टेंट होता था हमेशा.
बट कंगना, आपने ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे ये कहा था कि यू हैड योर सिस्टर विजिटिंग यू समटाइम ऑन सेट एंड शी वाज लाइक, फॉर द लैक ऑफ अ बेटर वर्ड, योर पंचिंग बैग ऑफ सॉर्ट्स.
Well, आपकी family, when you have this kind of distressing job, you do take your family for granted. It is true. मतलब कोई तो लोग होने चाहिए जिनको आप कुछ भी बोले, कुछ भी करें, कुछ कई बार तो उनसे बात ही ना करें. This is also very big privilege. You can go home, and if you don't want to talk, and you just don't have to talk.
Yeah.
You know, it's a very big privilege to have a family, and just you can be on your own, you can be yourself with them.
Very true. That's right. I want to know, did the Gandhi family reach out, say anything after watching the trailer of Emergency?
No, of course not. Why wouldn't they reach out to me for what? But I met Mrs. Priyanka Gandhi ji, and we briefly met, and she was complimenting me about my work and all that. So I did mention it in a fleeting way. I said, I have made this film Emergency, and if you get time to watch it. Yeah, she was a bit taken aback, and she's like, yeah, maybe. So I said, you won't be disappointed if you see. Let's see.
You know, after the trailer launch happened, we were all, of course, waiting for the release, but there was a delay. And, you know, I mean, you spoke about it, you know, the anger, the frustration, all of that is, of course, understandable. But I just want to understand, in your mind, on a very personal level, for all of you, what was really going on? Were you ever scared that what if this film doesn't get to see the light of the day?
I was scared. And I did feel that it was a wrong decision to release it in theaters. I thought I could have got a better deal on OTT, and I didn't have to go through this censorship. And my film will be now dissected. पता नहीं क्या क्या निकाल देंगे उसमें से, क्या क्या रखेंगे. So I was a bit. I felt that I made the wrong decisions, wrong choices on many levels. First wanting to direct this film, and I took it for granted that even though we don't have like Congress, government, you know, पहले तो मैंने बताया वो किस्सा कुर्सी का, how that person was almost, they committed suicide. वो फिल्म आज तक किसने नहीं देखी, वो उसके तो बर्न ही कर दिए थे वो सारे. So but then I felt कि मिसेस गांधी पे किसी ने आज तक कोई फिल्म नहीं देखी. अगर आप ये फिल्म देखें, आप हैरान हो जाएंगे कि आजकल की जनरेशन तो हैरान हो जाएगी कि मतलब मिसेस गांधी ऐसा हुआ था, हमारी 3 टाइम प्राइम मिनिस्टर. तो ऐसे क्योंकि बहुत खतरनाक ये वो था. मैंने उसको अंडर एस्टिमेट किया था कि आई कैन जस्ट गेट अवे बाय मेकिंग अ फिल्म ऑन इमरजेंसी. लेकिन वैसा हुआ नहीं. थोड़ा डिस्पेयर हुआ, लेकिन फिर वी फॉट इट. हमने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स सबमिट कराए, छोटी छोटी चीज़ पे स्क्रूटनी हुई, बहुत सारे हिस्टोरियंस बैठे, बहुत सारे प्रांतों से समुदायों से लोग आए, उन्होंने देखा एंड दे डिड नॉट फाइंड एनीथिंग ऑफेंसिव. उन्होंने यही कहा कि नहीं, ये बिल्कुल नाजायज़ है जिस तरह फिल्म को रोका गया है. और एंड आई थिंक वी हैव लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट फॉर गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज ऑल्सो, सेंसरशिप एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट.
Sure.
तो हमने उनके साथ पूरा कोऑपरेट किया.
So this is the uncut version from what?
नहीं, उसमें से कुछ चीज़ें निकाली गई हैं, बट इसलिए नहीं निकाली गई हैं कि दे वर नॉट ट्रू और देयर वाज नो प्रूफ. इसीलिए लोगों की कुछ है भावनाएं जुड़ी हुई, तो आप बेटर हैं कि इनको निकाल दें. तो उस करके निकाली गई है.
Okay. Anything, sir?
We were just the actors, so we ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारी फिल्म कभी डिले नहीं हुई है, but we were not the main people to get affected
Yeah, but
by
they were very much by
we
my
could
side.
support it as much as we
Anupam
can.
ji would call me, sir Sher sir went saw the film and he said, मैं पहले देख के आता हूँ कि माजरा क्या है, क्यों रोकी जा रही है फिल्म, क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट में तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था जब मैंने की थी. So he went and he saw the film and he's like, नहीं ऐसा तो कुछ भी नहीं है, क्यों रोक रहे हैं ये फिल्म को. And Anupam ji was also, but he said आएगी फिल्म तुम्हारी. Anupam ji said he was not thinking it won't come. I was
Yeah,
thinking
it was
it
just
might.
a phase.
Yeah, he was very sure. He's like, नहीं आएगी तुम्हारी फिल्म, don't worry.
Yeah, of
But
course,
this
बुरा
also
लगता है.
proves this also proves one thing, which it's not important to say, that there is a government body which sort of people usually think that emergency है तो it will be anti-Congress, तो इस वाली government को तो immediately इसको पास कर देना चाहिए, बल्कि खुशी कर देना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल. और
But
ऐसे
ऐसा नहीं.
conversations हो रही थी.
हाँ,
internet पे.
but इसका बिल्कुल opposite हुआ. And she is from the ruling government. They should have been. So at least whatever happens for the best. At the end of it, let's celebrate something which is so brilliantly made, which is so, we are so proud of the fact. It's not only just an happening in our history, it's also a brilliantly made film.
Sure.
Which people will see, and all of us have done work. We will not sit here, means we do sit in any film and promote a film, but we may not use the words brilliant, out of the world, respected. We will say बहुत अच्छा, बड़ा मजा आया. जब फिल्म बहुत अच्छी नहीं होती है, और I'll have to be careful in future now. किसी पिक्चर में बोलूं तो
बड़ा मजा आया. ओ अच्छा, समझ गए.
But this is a film I'm not seen it, but this is a film I'm proud of.
Yeah, it's very interesting that you use the word being careful.
Yeah.
Kangana, with everything that happened with your this directorial, कहीं ना कहीं वो demotivation है about making your next directorial.
I am never making a political film again.
Yeah.
Never. I'm not very motivated.
Don't ever say never.
I'm not
never say
motivated
never.
by.
Never say never.
It is so difficult to make a political film. I won't do it, and I understand why not many people do it, and especially on real life characters, there's hardly anybody who does it.
I'm a victim of that. With all my sincerity, I did Dr.
That is
Manmohan
one of
Singh's.
your
Yeah.
best
It's one of my best
Yeah,
performances.
It's amazing.
And but yeah.
Lastly, I have to ask you this, Kangana. A lot of your fans have a question for you, which is that for some reason they love you and Salman together on screen, and they want to know if a film any day will happen with the two of you.
Salman and I. Yeah, Salman has Salman is a good friend of mine, and we've had many opportunities where we could work together, but let's see. Somehow it never came together.
Yeah. Well, never say never again. Hopefully someday. Thank you so much. Looking forward to Emergency. Looks very informative more than anything else. Thank you so
Don't choose your words so carefully. What do you mean informative?
Informative, yeah. Because I'm sure there's a lot we do not know about that we are going to
No,
learn.
it's entertaining also.
So
And entertaining, for
infotainment, I
sure.
think you're looking-
Infotainment is the right word.
Yes.
That's correct. Thank you so much.
क्या करे?
Thank you.
Thank you.